Hello and welcome back to our channel where we help you make money from the comfort of your own home. Today we'll be discussing Honeygain, a great way for beginners to make money online. We'll be discussing everything you need to know, from setting up an account to earning passive income with Honeygain. But before we get started, make sure to click the link in the description to check out the best way to make money online. Trust me, it's a game changer. Alright, let's dive in. Honeygain is a platform that allows you to share your internet connection with their network in exchange for cash. This means that while you're not using your device, you can earn passive income by simply allowing Honeygain to use your internet connection. So, how do you get started? First, head over to the Honeygain website and sign up for an account. Once you're signed up, you'll need to download the Honeygain app on your device. Don't worry, it's available on both iOS and Android, so you can use it on your phone, tablet, or computer. After downloading the app, you'll need to set up your account by logging in with the credentials you created during sign-up. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard which will display your earnings and other useful information. To start earning, simply turn on the app and let it run in the background. Honeygain will use your internet connection to complete tasks for their clients, and you'll earn money for every task that is completed using your connection. One of the great things about Honeygain is that it's completely passive. You don't need to do anything else once you've turned on the app. Just sit back and watch your earnings grow. But how much can you actually earn with Honeygain? Well, that depends on a few factors such as your internet speed and how many devices you have connected to Honeygain. On average, users can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per month. Now, we know that doesn't sound like a lot of money, but when you consider that it's completely passive and requires no effort on your part, it's a great way to earn some extra cash. Plus, if you have multiple devices connected, you can increase your earnings even more. So, there you have it, folks. That's everything you need to know to get started with Honeygain and start earning passive income today. Remember to click the link in the description to check out the best way to make money online and start earning even more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.